If you follow this very simple technique, you will become a genius. Period. I'm not messing around. This is the real deal. I don't care how old you are. If you are 5 years old, this will work. If you are 90 years old, it will also work. Your current intelligence level also doesn't matter. If you are crazy, stupid, it will work. If you are already very smart, it will work just as well. Have as many new experiences as is humanly possible. That's the one and only rule. That's it. You are done. Your brain is the most wonderful creation in the universe. Our human brain is something exceptional and bizarre. Our frontal cortex is so unbelievably large in comparison to any other animal that it makes me wonder why many religions talk about the creation of men in the image of God. Our bodies, on the other hand, are mediocre at best. They are amazing machines, don't get me wrong. But many other animals possess even more impressive body characteristics than we do. When you have new experiences, your brain is in overdrive. It creates new electrical connections and becomes even more complex and amazing than it already was. Just make sure you remember what learning is while you are doing it. Learning is experiencing new experiences. In short, learning equals download plus process. Examples of download are reading, hearing someone else speak, viewing a new scene, watching a movie, tasting a new taste, smelling a new smell, and reading this answer right now. Examples of process are thinking about what happened today, sleeping, discussing your life with other people, talking to yourself, pausing for a moment while reading this article, and hearing your inner voice discuss your opinions. Some interesting points to consider includes, most people only process in their sleep. If you want to become smarter and faster, get used to processing while you are awake using the techniques listed above. Older people usually have much more experiences than younger people. This is because they have lived longer, so they've had more time to accumulate experiences. That's why it's important to listen to your elders, they are usually pretty smart. Travel in order to become smarter. Traveling to a new place is guaranteed to give you many new experiences. People with routine and boring lives don't have many new experiences. They wake up every day and experience the same old experiences again and again. They are cheating themselves. They don't celebrate the amazing gift they have inside their heads. You don't have to be rich in order to have many new experiences. For example, you could talk to a random person on the street every day. You could go to a random new place to eat. Or change the route that you drive to work. Or read a new book. Or follow a new blog. Or research something online. You don't have to be an extrovert. Reading many new books or seeing many new movies is a great way to have new experiences. You don't have to be an introvert either. Meeting new people, talking to them, and actually listening to what they have to say is a great way to have new experiences. If you just chit-chat and have the same conversation over and over again, that's obviously not good enough. How many exotic experiences does a homeless person have? The poorer a person is and the weirder a person is and the more struggle a person has had in his life, the smarter he is. Too much downloading without enough processing will leave you overwhelmed, and you will forget most of what you have learned by the next day. Too much processing without enough downloading will waste your time by overthinking. It's important to find your own personal balance. Our society taught us that people who have many new experiences in an area like reading scientific journal articles are smarter and generally better than people who've had many new experiences in another area, like seeing movies. Don't listen to this nonsense. This is just our society judging us and setting some arbitrary norms that shouldn't exist and that change over time. Experience what you love and enjoy to experience, not what someone else thinks you should. I've talked a lot about passively consuming other people's creations, but it should go without saying that creating new creations is probably the best way to have new experiences. Every new person you meet in your life is an opportunity for you to learn something new. Experience her exotic experiences by listening to her stories, her struggles, her loses, and her wins. For every new person you meet, ask yourself, what is the learning opportunity this person is here to bring me?